Aujourd'hui, 8 juin 2013, notre commune vit un grand moment de son histoire contemporaine. L'inauguration de la statue de Bill Milling, en présence de son fils, Monsieur John Bill Milling, et d'un de ses camarades vétérans, Léon Gauthier, qui ont débarqué ensemble sur la plage de Colville-Montgomery.
The inauguration of the statue of Bill Millen in the presence of his son, Mr. John Millen, today, June 8th, 2013, marks a great moment in our town's history, also in the presence of some of Bill Millen's comrades.
Je n'aurai pas la prétention de parler au nom de Bill Millen.
I wouldn't presume speaking on behalf of Bill Millen.
Cependant, m'en étant entretenu avec lui, il m'a promis que s'il ne pouvait assister de son vivant à l'inauguration de ce mémorial, en bon écossais, son fantôme viendrait hanter joyeusement Sword Beach et accompagnerait les commémorations futures.
However, once, while speaking with him, he promised that if he were unable to attend the inauguration of this memorial in the flesh, as a good Scotsman would, his ghost would come to joyously haunt Sword Beach and accompany the future commemorations.
That saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. Through many dangers, toils, and snares, I have already come. 'Tis grace that brought me safe thus far, and grace will bring me home.
On the road! What?
Well, you know, we're all proud to be here. You know, it's yeah.
It's very good, nice day, nice weather.
Lovely, yeah.
Yeah, it's been a very good day today. Yeah.
Very nice.
C'est une journée très émotionnante. Notre président du département, il a donné officiellement la mission de venir ici à représenter la terre de Bergamo et tout le département. Nous sommes très honorés d'être ici à remercier tous les gens qui ont combattu pour la liberté de tout le monde.
Beautiful, beautiful, very good.
I was Royal Navy on the landing craft, and we came in on D-Day, sent the tanks ashore. It was something like this, a bit breezy, a bit more But it's a long time ago now.
Du côté de Serge Attemour, je crois que, sincèrement, il a bien fait les choses. Il a fait un appel international qui a été entendu. Et même avec les vétérans français qui sont ici présents, sincèrement, je suis très touché d'avoir obtenu, je dirais, c'est pas un succès pour nous, c'est parce que c'est, disons, on vient se recueillir, mais c'est quand même un succès pour nos vieux vétérans.
Very, very good, and I think it's a particularly good sculpture.
Yeah.
Particularly good sculpture. Very, very good indeed. Yes, excellent. Because I met my wife, she was in the army. I met her in the army. She outranked me for the rest of my life. I think next year is going to be the last, isn't it? So I think I shall come next year, if I'm still alive, because I'm 94 now, so...
We knocked on wood.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you for what you did for us also.
Pleasure. Pleasure.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
My name is Vera Hay.
And why are you here today?
I'm a Normandy veteran. I landed on the Normandy bridgehead, Gold Beach, and served as a nursing sister on the Queen Alexandra Imperial Military Nursing Service, and we worked in a tented hospital unit, Army tented hospital unit, close to Bayeux, in the early stages of the landings, and we tended the wounded, 200 a day casualty clearing. I think it was wonderful, wonderful. And I think the French people will appreciate it.
Did you come with your family?
No, I've come with D-Day Revisited.
Okay. Thank you very much for being here.
Goodbye.
What does it represent for you to be here today?
Well, it's kind of special because there's a lot of people who aren't here, and it's just kind of special to be here rather than, at home, at school.
It's not all about the music, it's about...
It's all about history as well. And making history, of course.
Just commemorating the Bill Millens.
Did you know him before?
Well, I've seen him before, but I've met him. He's a nice guy. Really nice person.
Yeah. Is he like a hero or...?
Yeah, well, he was the last D-Day Piper. And he died a couple of years ago, unfortunately. He wasn't here to be able to see this amazing statue of him.
John, today it's been the unveiling of the statue of your father. Did you expect someday to have such an event for those who fought with him and himself?
I'm surprised that so many are here. Obviously, I'm very grateful, and it's turned into a really good day. But it's an odd feeling looking up at the statue and thinking, well, there's my father. Yeah, it sort of sent a chill down my back when there's Dad looking down at me. But I'm so grateful to everybody who's contributed and everyone who's helped make this possible today. The Mary Queen of Scots Pipe Band and all the donations that flooded in from all over the world. It would have meant, it did mean a lot to my father. He knew it was all going to happen. It's so unfortunate he's not here to see it. But he knew what people were doing and the gratitude of how people wanted to help and raise money for the statue, because that's what my father wanted at the end of the day, was for people to remember what happened on D-Day, what happened in the Normandy campaign. it was not so much about him playing the pipes, but he recognised that him playing the bagpipes drew people together, and in doing so ensured the memory of those people who died on Sword Beach. And that was a terrific thing, and if Dad was here, he'd be really, really pleased.